Adipec is a very important week for hunting. It allows us to showcase our products and technology to our wider Middle East customer base. At the same time, it allows us to interact and engage with our customers and partners throughout the region. And wider than the Middle East, we're starting to see more representation from Asia and Africa, which provides more opportunities for us to take away from the show. As part of hunting's overall 2030 growth strategy, the Middle East will play a big part in achieving that target. Demonstrating that, in 2024, we will open up a new 15,000 square metre facility in Dubai, and at the same time extend our existing facility in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Adipec provides us a platform to demonstrate our commitment and focus to the region, and that hunting has a strong growth strategy in place to develop the brand and increase our capabilities within the Middle East.